us. Thank you very much. You're welcome. It's a big family. You're welcome. We embrace you with both hands, and it's going to be a very interesting journey with us. And if you're yet to join us, well, after this meeting, you will see reasons why you should have joined us since yesterday or probably some months back, but it's not late either. So we have very great leaders that will be giving us great presentations tonight. So we implore those that are activated already, please, I beg you, on Sundays, we do have our Zoom meetings, technical Zoom meetings for activated members. So questions today should please be from only prospects, please. We know why I want to really concentrate on prospects so that we'll be able to pay greater attention on prospects. Members, activated members, please bear with us. We would attend to activated members on Sunday, technical Zoom meeting. So today we'll be having Mrs. Grace to handle presentations on the products, and we'll also be having Josh to handle the compensation plan. We also have great leaders that will give us testimonies. Please hang on. Just be here. Don't leave us. You will be amazed at what you hear today. So it's going to be a very interesting evening. The market is already showing us beautiful signs, right? And we're all here for one basic reasons, to find a way of making what money. We are not here for friendship. Yes, it's part of it, yes. But the basic reason why we're here is to make money, to find a way to make money. You are at the right place. I tell you the truth, you are at the right place. So let's kickstart with introduction of Mrs. Grace. Ms. Grace, are you there?
Yes, I'm right here. Good evening, Mr. Sly.
Beautiful, beautiful. So you're going to be having the floor now. Thank you very much for being there for us, and take it over from here. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you, everyone. Good evening, everybody. I'm glad to have you on the call tonight. Before I proceed, I'd like to know if there's any person joining us for the first time. This is your first time on this Zoom call. Kindly give me a thumbs up. If today is your first day here, let me know if I have a new member, or I'm dealing with people that have been here before. Today is your first time on this call. Simply drop a thumbs up on the chat box. Oh, thank you very much. Godswill Thomas. Any other person? Today is your first day here. Okay. All right. Okay, please kindly mute everyone. Okay. Today we're going to be looking at an opportunity.
Madam Grace, on your mic.
All right. Can you hear me now?
Loud and clear.
All right. Today we're going to be looking at an opportunity, just as it has been said by the MC, that has changed my life and the life of so many people I know who have keyed into this business opportunity. There's going to be a giveaway in the course of this meeting. In the next 5-10 minutes, there's going to be a giveaway. So I'd like you to stay with us to the end of this presentation. My name is Mrs. Grace. I'm a cryptopreneur, and this is what I love doing. I will be presenting to you tonight a business opportunity in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. And most of us are familiar with that word, cryptocurrencies. They are just digital assets, that you can trade, you can buy. What's an asset? An item of value. A typical example of an asset is your landed property. Of course, we know, especially in Africa, that parents will land to their children as assets. Most parents feel for them to leave a piece of land for their children, they've left wealth. All right. But today, the economy has moved from that to the digital era, whereby you don't actually need to have a land before you could say you have an asset. All right. So cryptocurrency is also an asset. How do you earn cryptocurrency? You can earn it by holding. What is holding? To buy an asset, you keep it for years and it appreciates in value, just the way you hold your piece of land, it appreciates in value over time. So cryptocurrency also appreciates in value over time. So that's one of the ways you earn digital assets. The other way you earn digital assets is by trading. Simple definition of trading means to buy and sell. A typical market woman believes in trading. How does she do that? She goes to market, buy low, sell high, and she makes profits. All right. So in trading crypto, there's a whole lot of stress involved in it. I've been there. There's a whole lot of emotion. That you are limited to certain things if you're trading crypto manually. But today we have an artificial intelligence robot that has made the job easy. It has reduced the tax, it has reduced the stress for us. And this robot is called RoyalQ. Now, there are two ways you make money in RoyalQ. The first one is you use the robot to trade, and the second one is what I call leverage. That's my own term for it, leveraging. So tonight I will be dealing with the first part, which is what? Trading. And when I'm done, my colleague, a great leader in the community, is going to handle the second aspect of the business, which is what? Leveraging. Now, what is RoyalQ first and foremost? It is an artificial intelligence robot that trades crypto on exchanges for you. Now, RoyalQ partners with 3 major exchanges in the crypto space, and they are Binance, Huobi, and your Coinbase exchange. Okay, now I believe a lot of us have heard about Binance. Permit me to share my screen, please. Can you see my screen?
Yes,
we can.
Okay, so a lot of us have heard about Binance, but most people don't really know how secure, how safe, how great this exchange is. All right. Now on my screen is CoinMarketCap. I just want to give you a brief information about Binance. If you look at the coin market capitalization here, we see Binance as the #1 exchange, all right, on this application. Why is Binance #1? Look at the trust score, all right, the exchange score of all the exchanges in this space. Binance has a 9.9 trust. It's the highest on this list. Now, why is it also #1? Because of its trading volume. This is the amount of money that has been traded in the last 24 hours on this exchange, $23 billion. That's a whole lot of money. So this is why Binance is the greatest and, for me, the most appreciated exchange in the space. We also have exchange #2, which you see is Coinbase. RoyalQ also partners with Coinbase. Coinbase is a US-based exchange. You could buy, of course, you know, in US, most things don't thrive there because they are heavily regulated by the government. So RoyalQ trades with this exchange as well as Huobi. Huobi is the largest exchange in Asia. So it is these 3 exchanges that you can trade with the robots. So I've explained to you what Binance is. Now, how does RoyalQ trade? RoyalQ trades by buying digital assets for you, and then it buys low and it sells high. It cannot buy low and sell lower. Of course, you know, in simple business, if you buy low and sell low, what have you done? You have recorded losses. So this robot can only buy low and does what? Sell high, and then take profit for you. Every good businessman or woman wants to buy low and sell high. And this is what the robot does for you. When the market goes down, it buys. When the market appreciates, it sells and take profit for you. Now, RoyalQ, it's a robot that can do several transactions that I as a human, that you as a human cannot execute. You know that if you're a manual trader, you cannot trade more than 5-10 times in a day if you have the grace to trade for that long. But this robot can do buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell more than 50 times in a day, depending on the volatility of the market, depending on how the market is volatile for that day. It can execute more than 100 transactions if the market goes well that day. So the robot can do what you as a human being cannot do. It takes away a whole lot of stress associated with what? Trading. It also takes away a lot of the motion associated with trading. So most of the stress we go through as human in trading crypto has been alleviated through the use of this robot. So this is one unique advantage of trading with the RoyalQ application. Now, a lot of people today, believe that the economy has shifted from agriculture, economy has shifted from several other things, from oil, and is now what in the digital era. So people now make money from what the use of application. And Royal Q is one of such applications that helps you to do what? To make money. So that's what the robot does for you. It buys crypto low and it sells high for you. Now, how does it do this? How do you combine it? I said you are using what? Binance Huobi or Coinbase. How does this robot does this? It does this by first and foremost, you binding the robot to your Binance or Huobi or Coinbase exchange with what we call an API, application programming interface. Now, this allows you to connect your robot with your exchange. And when you do that, you authorize it to do what? To read and trade. That is what the robot can do on your account. It cannot withdraw funds from your account. It cannot transfer funds from your account. It can only do what? Read. By reading, we mean to take note of the amount of USDT you have on your Binance. And then it also uses that fund to buy and also to sell for you. Now, there are key things to note about Royal Q. You do not need previous trading experience to trade with these robots. You may say, I don't have idea about crypto. I don't have a single knowledge on how to trade. I don't know how the exchanges work. In as much as you're trading with Royal Q bot, you do not need previous experience for you to make use of these robots. All right. Now, the robot does not sell at a loss because it only buys low and sell high. In simple mathematics, if you buy low and sell high, what are you doing? You're taking profit. So Royal Q it's programmed to only take profit for you. It doesn't sell at a loss. So the fear of losing your money, it's not there when you're doing what? Using this robot. Now, another key thing about Royal Q is that you do not give your money to these robots. The funds you are using to trade is on your Binance. It's on your Huobi, it's on your Coinbase, depending on which of these exchanges you want to use. So your funds is completely under your control. You don't give it to Royal Q. So the fear of, it will crash. You know, we all have this ideology that every online platform is a scam. Every online platform will crash. Now, Royal Q does not have a single fund of yours with it. You don't give a kobo to it. All right. So the fear of, Royal Q will run away. It's not there, because even if the Royal Q runs away tomorrow, your money is not with them. So you've lost nothing. You are in total control of your assets. You're in total control of your money. This is one unique thing why we call it a Ponzi killer. Of course, you know, in Ponzi platforms, you pay money to them and they promise you 2%, 1% daily or weekly. And they tell you they use this money to trade. But in real sense, most of these companies, they don't really trade, right? They use the money they get from referral to pay you, and you believe they are trading. So Royal Q is a Ponzi killer because you don't, your funds are totally in your control. All right. So it is a perfect tool to turn over your money, right? If you know what turnover is, it's a perfect tool for you to buy, sell, and take profit with your money on a daily basis, on a monthly basis. So having known this, how do you get started with Royal Q? I want to join the business. How do I join? How do I make use of this artificial intelligence robot to do turnover with my money? First and foremost, you need to get the link of the person that invited you to this meeting. Get a link from him and do what? You register. Now, after registration, you fund the robot with $120 to activate. Activation means to buy the robot to make use of it for 1 full year. I call it $10 per month because if you're paying $120 for a year, it means you're paying $10 per month. For me, it's the cheapest in this space because some robot goes as high as $3,500 to trade. So once you activate your robot, you now fund your Binance, your Huobi, or your Coinbase exchange with your capital. You want to trade with $500, you want to trade with $1,000, you put it in your account. And then you now connect the Royal Q with your Binance. Now, after connecting Royal Q with your Binance, you are set to trade. There is one more thing you need to do before you configure your trade, and that is to fund your Royal Q with what we call gas fee. Gas fee is a common term for those of us in crypto. What is gas fee? They are payments made by users to compensate for computing energy, required to process and validate transactions. You know that if you're carrying out a transaction in crypto, there's a certain amount of money you pay. Very, very little, very minimal. We call it gas fee. So in Royal Q, you have to deposit minimum of $20 on the robot as your gas fee. Now, how does the robot make use of this money? Every transaction carried out by this bot, profit is shared 80 to 20%. You as an owner go home with 80%, while the robot goes home with what? 20%. It's part of the T&C you sign, for using the bot. Now, I said earlier that the bot cannot withdraw funds from your account. It cannot transfer from your Binance. Okay, so where then does this robot get its 20% profit from? The bot is going to take its 20% from this gas fee you are depositing on the Royal Q bot. So for every transaction the robot executes for you, it will deduct its own 20% from that robot. This is the safest system I've seen in the online space so far. Okay, and it's very transparent. So as the bot sells for you, it will take its own 20% from that $20 you deposited. Of course, it therefore means that if you are trading with a huge sum of money, let's say you're trading with $1 million, you know that your gas fee, it's not going to be just $20. It's going to be higher because the bots with your capital is much, and the bot is going to execute a whole lot of transactions for you. Now, there are over 70 coins on Royal Q. Royal Q does not deal with every cryptocurrency you have in the space. Only very volatile good coins, about 70 of them. Can you trade the entire 70? Yes, you can. Can you trade one or two? Yes, you can. So based on your capital, based on your equity, you can trade the number of coins your money can carry you. All right. So that is it. The gas fee takes care of the energy spent in that transaction. So after you have bind your bot, you fund your Royal Q with your gas fee, and then you do what? You configure your trade. Now, there is another very important thing you need to note when trading with these robots. You do not need to keep your phone on. It's not compulsory your phone must be on for Royal Q to trade. That condition is not there. It is also not compulsory for your data to be on. It's not a system that depends on internet. Your internet must be on. Once you configure your trade, all right, the bot takes over from there, and then it keeps buying and selling for you. Your phone must not be on for it to work. Your data mustn't be on for you to work. So this is how amazing the robot is. Before I round up, I did promise us there's going to be a giveaway, all right, in the house today. So for MTN users, the fastest finger is going to get this. Are we ready? Are we ready? Can I hear a thumb? Can I see a thumbs up if you are ready for the giveaway? Let me see a thumbs up if you are ready for the giveaway.
Yeah, we are ready.
Okay.
We are ready.
Okay.
We are
All
ready,
right.
ever ready.
Okay. The giveaway is for MTN users. So the fastest finger should pick it. The
Leaders,
numbers
please
are...
stay away. Leaders, leave it for others to take, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, leaders. Please stay away from this. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So the numbers are, like I said, fastest finger, 2382. I repeat, 2382 9897 9857 95865. Did anybody get it? Our host, please, maybe you unmute them. You got the giveaway, indicates 2382 98.
Unmute yourself, unmute yourself. Your mic is not on. You block your mic. Unmute yourself, madam.
Who is beyond your fire? Refer us to the next powerful person.
Yeah, ladies, hello. Hello,
As they
everyone.
refer us.
Please,
Hello, Madam Grace, please proceed. You can unmute
Okay.
now.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay. So this is the amazing opportunity that has changed the life of so many people, in the 21st century. How long has this company been in existence? Royal Q has been in existence since 2017, but was only operated in China. I know someone would want to ask, how long is this business, right? 2017 till now, it's roughly over 4 years. This business has been in existence, but it came to us in the year 2021. And since then, it has been doing wonders. People have been making great profit from this amazing robot. It buys, it sells. So this is one of the ways, take note, one of the ways that you make money using the Royal Q bot. For me as a crypto trader, it's been an amazing system because it alleviated me from the stress, from the pain. Most times you have to stay late in the night, trading, trying to make money. But since I learned about Royal Q, I have been so grateful to God. And there is no day I failed to chat my upline to tell him thank you for introducing this amazing business opportunity to me. I don't know about you, but this business has changed my life. It has affected my life. So this is what Royal Q is all about. It trades crypto for you on your exchange, hands-free. You don't need previous experience. You don't need to have a background knowledge of what crypto trading is all about. Artificial intelligence does the work for you. So at this point in time, I would like to hand over to my second to take us on the leveraging aspect of this business. The second way you can make money in Royal Q. Thank you very much.
All right. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, thank you very much. That was a very interesting presentation, a very powerful presentation by Mrs. Grace. I know majority of us, even activated members, learned a lot from that presentation. We really appreciate you, Ma, and more power to your elbow. And for the lucky one among us that got that airtime, congratulations to you as well. Wow. Big one. I'm excited because there are a lot to learn. Yeah, like you all know, the basic reason why we're here. A lot of us, yes, we've been online for a long while, and I believe the major reason why you're choosing Royal Q is the fact that you are tired of losing money to online scam, online programs that promises you daily ROI and eventually fail you on the long run. Yes, majority of us have decided that third-party investment, we are done with it. So if you're on that table as well, you're welcome. Congratulations to you because you've met something very spectacular. It's not just something that it will be here for a year or two. It's something that will be here for a lifetime. So long the internet is here, I believe, so long cryptocurrency is going to be in existence, I believe Royal Q will be in existence as well. But the fact that it trades only on sports trade, like our presenter had said, not on futures, just that work just like forex trade that your equity can get lost. You are safe because your equity will always be there and you're good to go. Like our presenter rightly said, the basic thing we should concentrate on is having patience to ensure that we make profit from this. So now I'm going to quickly introduce our next presenter. Is no other person than KK Success. He's a great leader and he has really achieved so much from Royal Q, and he's been in the industry for a while. KK Success, thank you so much. You're welcome to the floor. Have the floor. Thank you so much. Have the floor.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Sly. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, everyone, wherever you are listening. My name is Adikay Kamarudin. People call me KK Success. You know, I would like to enter with this. So, you know, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go with people. Okay. In life, there's no how far you can go. Depends on the community you build. You know, no matter how big dream you have, if you don't have a community of people, you know, connected together, having a common goal, you know, you are pursuing, there's limit to where that kind of person can be, or how realistic such dream can become. So most people have dream in life, but they don't know how to get to their dreamland. Believe you me, with this opportunity of Royal Q, you are in the right place with the right people, about to listen to the right information that can definitely transform your life. That can definitely, I repeat, transform your life, because it has transformed so many people's life, including myself that I'm speaking to you. Okay. Thank God I've been in this industry for a while, talking about 10 years now, and I can practically tell you, the do and don'ts, the up and downs, challenges and thereabouts, just name it. Both physical, and online aspect. I've experienced each and every one of them, and I can practically tell you, the business that sustainable business. Talking of online or networking aspect, Royal Q is a platform design. It's just like a river. It's like a river, like lagoon, in Lagos, whereby anybody can come there. You can easily go to lagoon and take, pick some of water. Depends on how hungry you are. That's it. Depends on how hungry you are. When the business was introduced to us, we are very hungry, because we have a dream. We have already existing dream that we want to achieve. We have been striving, trying different business here and there, that is not realistic until we got to know about Royal Q. And it's all the dreams are coming to reality. Believe you me, in a short period of time. In a short period of time, because Royal Q is designed in a such way that it is relevant. I used to call it, relevant business. It's a relevant business that have all the capacity and potential to make anyone to achieve his dreams. So I'll not wait much of our time. I'll take us through the compensation plan of Royal Q right away now, and how Royal Q can change your life while connecting and introducing other people to know about this wonderful application. Okay. Allow me to share my screen now without wasting our time. Now, welcome to the reward plan. The previous speaker has mentioned the product aspect of Royal Q. You see, Royal Q is a financial product that has the ability to be making you money. We have different products in this industry. Some are using healthcare products, some are using, perform and things like that. But here we are talking about financial products. Financial product is a kind of product naturally is going to be selling itself because it's making money for us on a daily basis. People are using it and they are making money. So, and everybody want to make money. That's our goal. Everybody want to make money. Are you getting it now? Now, for the fact that everybody want to make money, and we are saying Royal Q is a what? Financial product. It is very easy for you to market and sell the product easily with people. If in fact it's selling itself because of the daily result and we are getting using the robots. Now, what are you now going to benefit while introducing it to others? Because me, personally, I love this part so much. One of my precious goals and dreams is how many people will I be able to touch their life before I die? That will make me to be a great man, and be in the mind of so many people's life that has been changed and transformed through myself. And with Royal Q, that dream and goal is becoming a reality, because I can personally point to 5, 10, 20 people that have used this Royal Q application and make millions. I won't deceive you, over the last 8 months. Now I'm going to show you the plan now. Now, use Royal Q robots and share it. Become an advisor for new affiliates. Okay. teach how to use RoyalQ application. That's what we do. We invite people to this room and we allow them to come and attend the meeting and listen to this kind of presentation. The same way you are listening here, coming for the first time, this is the same way I came here for the first time in the past 8 months, listening to this presentation the way you are listening to me now. Okay? And this robot has, with the help of God, allow me to earn above $30,000. Okay? This is what so many people are earning, who are not in Nigeria, abroad there, solving, passing all sorts of things. But within 8 months, I'll be able to achieve that costly of this RoyalQ by using it to trade and introducing other people to know about the robot as well, so that it can also change their life, which is one of my own goals. So if you want to help a lot of people, this robot is an avenue. This business is a better place for you to be able to help as many people as possible, because there's no limit to the number of people you can change their life. There's no limit to your income potential. You really can make all the money you want. Okay, now, and you get rewarded with an excellent compensation plan. Get ahead, create your affiliate team, and get incredible bonuses. I have been in this story for years, and I can practically tell you, hardly you see a company that is compensating their members up to 70%. RoyalQ is paying up to 70%. All the companies that I work with, those that are paying maximum, they are paying 45% or 50%. Yeah, 45%. Now RoyalQ is paying us for you telling others about this robot up to 70%. That's amazing. So amazing. Now, how are you going to become a V1? Once you get activated with $120, like the previous presenter rightly explained to us, you activate with $120, you are automatically a V1 member. Okay. Now, what are the benefits of a V1 member? Each time you activate someone, you introduce this application of this robot to anybody, and the person go activated the same way you go activated, you are going to get $30 on that person instantly. You can easily withdraw it. This is one of the sweet parts I love about this business. I am tired of centralized business that I've been doing for years, whereby you have to wait for withdrawal or wait for some week or some month before you get before you get paid on your effort. But here in this business, everything is decentralized. You can easily withdraw your money immediately you get paid. That's amazing, guys. Now you get $30 on each person you activated. Okay, and you are going to be earning $20% on each profit the person is making. You are going to be how is RoyalQ getting paying all this particular percentage? We have what we call gas fee. The money is in our is on RoyalQ application. That gas fee, immediately you make profit on RoyalQ. RoyalQ doesn't have access to your Binance account. The only way they can take the charges is what? 20% out of your profit is from the gas fee you have on your RoyalQ application. And once they remove the 20%, they will make it 100%. And out of that 100%, you as a V1, and you are going to get 20% from each trade anybody in your team made as a V1 member. Okay. Now the next rank is V2. What do you need to become a V2? You see, as a V1, you can be making $30, $60, $50 a day as a V1 member. All depends on your activeness and how hungry you are. You have to be intentional, and there's no way you understand this business, and see the big picture of this business that you will not go crazy about it, because it has changed many people's lives. It has changed our lives. It has made us a millionaire just like overnight. It's not a get quick Christendom, but it can make it a get quick Christendom with your actions. Yes, with your action, with your massive action, it can make you a millionaire in short period of time, because it has happened to me. It has happened to many people listening to me here as our leader. Are you getting my pen? So all you need is taking the actions and making your dream a reality using this opportunity of RoyalQ application. Now, to be a V2, you need 3 direct activated member directly to yourself, okay, and total of 20 people in your team. 20 people in your team. So it can only be 3 direct to you, and the remaining 17 can come out of those 3 people direct to you. Just have 20 people in your team, and 3 out of those 20 are directly to you, minimally. Then you are what? You are a V2. What do you need to be enjoying as a V2? you're going to be getting, instead of $1,000 a V1, you're going to be getting $40 each time you activate someone directly now. You're not going to be getting $30 like you are in V1 again. Now you'll be getting $40. And your trading commission on your team when they are making profit is going to be 30% now, not 20% again. Are you getting my point now? You get a share of all gas generated in your team from infinite level of depth. Are you getting my point now? And you are going to be having access to be enjoying what we call indirect bonus. We call it indirect bonus. Now, each time anybody under your direct leg, activate someone, or who is, even if it's your direct leg, out of those 20 in your team, let's say just 5 persons or 2 persons or 3 persons get another person, new people activated on a daily basis, you're going to be getting $10 each time anybody activates someone under your team. You're going to be getting $30. You just be seeing the money dropping. Okay. When I was in V2, I used to enjoy, $60, $80, $90 a day. That's amazing. That's someone's salary in a month here in Nigeria. Okay. I won't deceive you. Some people are not getting up to that. And this is what we are enjoying in RealQ. Wow, because we're earning in dollar. You're no more earning. There's no need to travel or be selling your family house again before you because you want to go and earn dollar in abroad or in US. There's none of that shit again, man. I have a brother in over there. It can't be begging because you see what I'm hearing here. So your guy will say me for me for, and that is what RealQ has made us. Whether you don't see people who are outside the country as something, something special, or they are saying something. No. RealQ is making us better here in Nigeria, and that's why you need to embrace this opportunity with all your heart. Now, what do you need to? Those are the things you are going to be enjoying as a V2. Now, to be in V3, all you need. This is wonderful, amazing status. Okay, for you to get to V3, you need a total of 5 activated direct members. You already have 3. You need to add just 2 to make it 5 directly to yourself. And your team should be at least, you have the volume of 100 people in your team, 100 total in your team. Don't there's no need to fear anything here. Each of you want to have 3 activated, 3 V2 under you that will be coming with 20 total team members before they get to V2. So RealQ will add it up, and with all other indirect activation under you, making it 100, you are automatically a V3 member. Okay. Wow. What are you going to be enjoying as a V3 member? Amazing. Anytime you activate someone directly, you are going to be getting $50, 50 USDT. Oh, my brother, this is wonderful. I've never seen this kind of business in my life. Over the last 10 years in this industry, I've never seen such business paying massively as this. Okay, 50 USDT. That's a whole lot for each member you activated as a V3. And now you're going to be getting 40% on your team trading commission now, not 30% when you're in V2 now, because you're not in V3. Your percentage will now increase to 40% each time your team make profits. Oh, that is massive. Now here you'll be getting indirect bonus from your direct leg who are in V1. You're going to be getting 20 USDT. Apart from the 50 you are going to be getting directly, you still be getting indirect of 20, and you still be getting indirect of $10 from those who are in V2 under you. You're getting $10 indirect from them, and you'll be getting you'll be getting $20 from those that are still in V1 under your network directly to you. That is amazing. In V3, you should be earning something around $80, $70, $100, $120, $150 as a V3 member. That's massive. Okay, and from there, each time you have a direct leg to you who is in V3, you're going to be enjoying 10% peer pool bonus. Okay, we call it peer reward. That is what you are going to be enjoying as a V3 here. Oh, it is massive. Let me go to a wonderful status, which is V4. V4. Here we say V4. When you're in V4, you have already break the chain of poverty in your life. I won't deceive you. Do all it takes to rank up to V4 in RealQ. Try everything possible. and become a V4 with your massive team, the poverty will run out of your life. Because I'm a V4 going to V5 now. I'm doing an estimation. Before I explain how you're going to get to V4 and the benefit of V4, let me quickly share my little story when I got started before in Royal Q and when I became V4. What has happened to me? Now I'm this guy that love achieving my goal so much. I'm a goal setter and I'm a goal getter. Each time I set a goal for myself, nobody can stop me not achieving that goal. I mean it. Nobody. Those that are closer to me knew that. I don't joke with my goals for no reason. No matter who you are, you can't stop me. You can't stop me. And I don't believe none of my goal cannot be achievable. I have $1 billion worth of goal. Because you have to start it gradually, starting from making millions. Then you have break that barrier of making millions. Then you can now set your bigger goals ahead of yourself. If you can make millions, you can surely make billions. That's certain. So now, my goal before IQ was, how am I going to make my 4th million? I have been in this industry for years, trying everything possible. I'm not making, up to my expectation. And believe you me, I told myself last year that I need to be open-minded to new business, to new relevant business that can actually transform my life. And IQ came in. I embrace it with all my heart. I did it with everything I have, okay? Because I saw the big picture. Because there's nothing between knowing and understanding. Some people know Royal Q, but they don't understand it. There's no way you understand Royal Q and you will be lacking money, or you will say you don't have money, you are looking for what to do, or you are looking for something else. Oh, this is a future. So people don't know that it's a future. There's no day we woke up now. I woke up now, dollar will not be meeting in my account. That's amazing. This is what we are talking about. Imagine, give us 1 year, 2 years time. We'll be making thousands of dollars, just like we're making 1,000 naira. That is happening here. Okay, and under 2 months I got started. Exactly 2 weeks I became V2. Exactly 1.5 months I became V3. 2 months and 1 week in the business I became V4, and my life changed completely. I won't deceive you, it changed completely. Because exactly 3 months in the business, I got myself a car. I'd love to show all the car here before I proceed. Let me see if I can get it. I'd like to show us so that we can see that Royal Q is a bigger opportunity that anyone must not joke with, no matter what. You must not joke with Royal Q at all. Oh, how do they prepare this? Let's continue. I'll try to get it back. Now, what do you need to become a fee for? You need to add just 3% with the existing 5 direct you have already. Add 3 new direct activated members yourself, and to make it a total of 8. And the total team member of 300. 300 total team member. Don't forget, you need 3 direct V3 out of those 300 team activated member. Out of those 8 directly you have, 3 of them, make them V3. And each of them, don't forget, they are coming with 100 team member for them to become a V3. So when you have 3 of them, you already have 300 total team member, and it's percent, and you are now a V4 member. What are the benefits? And to enjoy as a V4, you are going to be enjoying 60 USDT as a V4. You're going to be enjoying 60 USDT as a V4 directly. If each time they enjoy, you actually someone direct to yourself, 60 USDT, and 50% on trade commission, which means, oh my God, this is massive. Royal Q will take 50%, you are taking 50% when you're in V4. That is 50-50 game. Oh, that is massive. You don't get it. Now, an indirect bonus, you're getting 30 USDT from direct link and 20 USDT from your V2 link, and 10 USDT from your V3 leader. That is massive. That is massive. Now, and each time you have someone in FIFA that to yourself, you still be getting commission 10% peer reward on that person. You know, that is a whole lot. A whole lot. Now let me quickly move to Fee5 without wasting much of time. Now, for you to be in Fee5, this is where I'm aiming to be now. You know, Fee5. Oh, I love to be in Fee5. I appreciate all our leaders in Fee5. You guys are wonderful. You are massive. Now, expect me, I'll join you very soon. Fee5. What do you need to be a Fee5? Oh, to be in Fee5, you need total number of direct activity member 12. Total team member of 800. And you need out of the same leader that make you that rank up to V3 for you to be in Fee4. Support them and support them to be in Fee4 like yourself, and you are automatically be in Fee5. As simple as that. What are you going to be enjoying as a Fee5? Directly each time you someone that you're getting $65. You're getting 65 USD on your team trading commission. 50. That's a whole lot. A whole lot. Oh my God. It's great to be in Fee5 because I usually see my upline income, you know, is in Fee5. His income is massive, you know. Now you're going to be getting indirect bonus here, 40 USDT. Oh. This is massive. Indirect bonus 40 USDT and team peer reward 10% on your team. This is a place to be. This is a place to be. Now this is the last destination. This is our home. We call it our home, you know, which is V6. You know, you can't be in V6 and you know you will not be the champion in your family. It's not possible. You know, we have just only two V6 in Africa presently. Many of us will join them, but presently we have two V6, and you know, less than a year we'll be able to, you know, we have two V6 in Africa, just two V6, and those two are in Nigeria. That's massive. We are doing well. Now, for you to be in V6, what do you need? Fee5 leader. Support your Fee4 to Fee5, and you'll be in Fee6 like that. Now, benefit of Fee6 70 USDT. Oh my God, 70 USDT each time you activate someone directly yourself. And here you're getting 60% team trading commission. That's massive. That's massive. You know, now indirect bonus here, you're going to 50 USDT. 50 USDT. Yeah. And peer reward of 10%. 10%, you know. And here you enjoy what we call global bonus. Global bonus. That's 10% of every active member in RealQ on a daily basis and on a monthly basis. That is massive. That is massive. Okay. This is our home. You know, this is our home. This is the place to be. You know, here we have someone, the first physics in Africa. He has earned above $400,000. You can bring out your calculator and do the mathematics. Okay, for you to know the the degree and the the interesting part of being in physics, the dream of being in physics. That's all everybody's dream here. You can do that calculation. He has earned about $400,000. Multiply $400,000 by $580. Exchange rate now. You will see that is a whole lot of money. A business that is less than 1 year, we got started. This is what we are telling, we are bringing to you. This is business we are showing you. It has changed many people's life. It has changed our life. It has what it takes to change your life too. Embrace it.
Yes,
you know, embrace it. Any question that's not clear to you, this is a business that anybody that is here must not miss. You must not miss it, because those that miss it, I used to tell them, those are Yimu, the Yimu, so when we got started. Now they are looking at the corner. These people are not, they are still in this business now. We thought they would just like a business, you know, in my previous business. I had someone telling me that I thought it's like that MMM or all those actually business that they will surely go now. That's what they told me that they should surely go. But they don't have the vision and the foresight of what we have seen in the sustainability and the long-range vision that is embedded in Royal Key business opportunity. It's not about what you are getting today, it's about the future and the structure the business is built on. This is a business that everyone has been looking for. This is a business that kill any Ponzi scheme business. This is a business that hand scammer. We are tired of ROI platform. This is a business that gives us the complete 100% total decentralization. Here we are not requesting for withdrawal for anybody. You have the access to controlling your life. You are in control of everything about your business here in Royal Key. Okay, this is a business that anyone must not miss. Now I'll leave us with this, and I'll give us one or two clues, book that we can read to understand and know more about this industry. My own gift tonight, I didn't actually prepare for giveaway stuff. I'm so sorry about that, but I'll give us something that has the capacity, than giving you card. That if you pick that book and read it, your life can never remain the same any longer. It's not possible. That is my gift for you tonight. I want you to pick your pen and write this book down and walk to any bookshop to pick that book tomorrow morning as early as possible and start reading it. It will definitely transform your life. That book has been my what? My generator in this industry that is moving me, making me to move forward and ahead every damn time. The name of the book is The Business of the 21st Century. I repeat, The Business of the 21st Century. Are you with me? I hope you do you get it? Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Hi, we
Thank
can
you.
hear you.
The name of the book is The Business of the 21st Century by Robert T. Kiyosaki. The Business of the 21st Century by Robert T. Kiyosaki. Are you there? Now, before I go, let me quickly show us. I've gotten the picture of my car I bought exactly 3 months in Royal Key. I hope you can see my screen now.
Yes.
Can we see my screen?
We can see.
Yeah, this is actually the car I'm using before Royal Key. Oh, what? Oh, shit. That is actually the car I'm using before Royal Key. And I exactly 3 months in Royal Key, I've been able to secure that car exactly 3 months in the business. I don't know what's wrong with this one.
Please, KK Sorex, we have 2 minutes for your section, 2 minutes more.
Exactly, I'm running.
Thank you very much.
Exactly, I'm running up now.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sir. So, this is Royal Key. This is what Royal Key has done in our life and how it has transformed our life 360 degree. Okay. So, now lastly, before I go, this you can see 2 cars here. I'm driving this RAV4G before Royal Key, and I bought this second one exactly 3 months in the business. This is a Hyundai Sonata 2012 model, close to 4M, 3 month business. And this is the car I'm driving now, courtesy of Royal Key. Embrace this business today and never joke with Royal Q business opportunity. Tell anybody about Royal Q, even your enemy. They can connect you to your destiny helper. Don't limit Royal Q business to anybody. Embrace it and give it all it takes. Do it intentionally with all your heart, and you will never regret you do. Thank you very much. I remember my officer, KK Success. Thank you.
Whoa, that was massive. That was massive. I hope a lot of us, while we're listening to that presentation, we have our calculators inside of most especially those of us that are resident here in Nigeria. You know, the exchange rate, it's something that is going to be beneficial whenever you earn in dollars. Currently today, I know our current exchange rate should be within 575 and 580. And if you're multiplying it with the figures that you just heard from I believe that blown away by now. Yes, most people, what you earn from just referring to one person, most people earn that salary in a month. Yes, I am not mincing words. Most people earn that salary, earn that money in a month as salary. And this is what you earn for just very person. Now, remember, if you pay that attention, this is not an investment.
We are not hearing you.
Investment. Hello, kindly mute yourself, please. We are still on this. Every other person should mute
Yeah, I
themselves.
can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Hello, please mute yourself. Check your network. If you're not hearing me, stop your network. Kindly check. So as I was saying, if you are calculating your calculator, you see something that should, spur you to action. Nothing is being done until you take action. Like it's rightly said, there are two ways to get massive money with Royal Q. Either you're having your massive capital, which will work for you, let your money work for you, as just using just a robot and profit on a daily basis, right? You could earn at from 10%. Let's just say from 5% to 50% only using your money. Or if you're not capable, if you don't have what it takes to use, very huge funds as capital, to trade, spot trade using Royal Q artificial intelligence. You could as well leverage on what they call OPM.
Mr. Silvanus, your network is bad. We can't hear you clear.
Can you hear me now? I have to even come out because of the network. I'm actually on the road. Can you hear me now?
We can hear you.
Okay. Like I said, we are using, you can as well leverage on, if you don't have the funds as major capital to trade and make profit, you can as well leverage on what they call OPM, which is other people's money, which is what KK Success have explained to us. Now, we are going to listen to a great leader, non-resident here in Nigeria, that have actually been blessed. The majority of us here on this call, leaders, have made massive wealth from Royal Q. Unlike what we've experienced in the past, this is a blessing from God. I believe for those of us that don't believe in God, well, maybe after now we will believe that there's a God somewhere. A lot of us have experienced hardship. We've experienced the toughest part of life. And we have changed our stories, right? Mrs. Annalyn is going to come in and then tell us what our own experience have been recently, what she has gained and benefited from Royal Q. Royal Q is here not just to bless just a few, is to bless those that are ready to listen, those that are ready to participate. Right? Royal Q is not for any specific category of people, no. Royal Q is here for everybody that is willing to participate. Now, like I said, if you don't take action, I'm sorry, you will not benefit from this. There are two ways you can take action. It's either you're bringing in your money or you're using other people's money. Thank you very much. Mrs. Annalyn, if you're there, take it over from here. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Annalyn Corricious. I just want to commend and salute Leader Malachi, Leader Silvanus, Leader Grace, and Leader KK Success. Guys, you have done an amazing job until now. I am super excited. I am fired up, and I can't get enough of Royal Q. I am always speaking about Royal Q with a passion, because I'm not hyping this business and I'm not here to convince you either. I'm just here to share my testimony of what Royal Q has done for me in the past 6 months. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm Queen Annalyn. I'm originally from South Africa, but currently staying in Dubai with my husband and 4 kids. We are now here for the past 6 years. My husband is a teacher. I am a model, and I worked 15 years for the South African Police Service. So I had 2 jobs, ladies and gentlemen, and I was still broke. So we moved 6 years ago to Dubai, and my husband is still teaching here. I have decided I'm giving up my modeling work because I want money to work for me. It was COVID the past 3 years, and a lot of people has lost their jobs. Some people couldn't even go to work. And my husband and I, we have decided that we need something because the money that we're getting here in Dubai is very good. But we want this money to make money. We don't want to work for the rest of our lives. And Warren Buffett clearly say that if you don't find a way to make money while you are sleeping, you will work until you die. And that have really struck us. It has really spoken to our spirits that we cannot work forever. Ladies and gentlemen, you cannot transfer your degree, your diploma, your certificate to your spouses, to your kids, to your family members. You cannot. When we die, we leave them with nothing. All right. So what we know is that the world is gone digital, money has evolved, and we need to adapt. So Royal Q came as a game changer to me and my family. Last year, June 2021, we have been involved in a lot of online businesses. I'm not going to mention them because the lists are too long, but just the recent ones that have crashed or that we have been in and we have deactivated our accounts was Green Gold, there's Petron Pay, there's MTI, there's Crowd One. We have been involved in Carrot Bars and also some other ones that are still existing, which is GS Partners and Paraiba. Those are all return on investment companies. They promise you a certain percentage for certain days, and they are good in the beginning, but let me tell you, most of them, it's only the top people that are benefiting. They will tell you this and this and that. So let me tell you, when you are giving your money to people or a company, your money is out of your control. You don't have access to it. You don't have control over it. Royal Q is a game changer and it is a lifesaver. Why? Because our money is not in the Royal Q robot. Our money is not in the Royal Q business. Our money is always 24/7 in our own wallets, which is Binance, Huobi Global, and Coinbase Pro. So whether you're going to need money 1 a.m. in the morning, 5 a.m. in the morning, and you are verified or connected with Binance and Huobi Global, you can exchange your money immediately. And it will take you 15 to 20 minutes to get your money into your bank account. Our local bank accounts or our local banks, they are not open 24/7. Your digital bank, which is Binance, Huobi, and Coinbase, they are open 24/7. All right. So what have drawn me to this business was the safety, that my money is safe in my own wallet, and my money is literally making money for me every day by the milliseconds. Currently, as you see, I'm a V3, almost a V4. Before the end of the month, I will most probably be a V4 because my team and I are working. We are team no sleep. As I'm talking to you now, my team are on another Zoom with other members and our own team members, assisting them with active binding and setting them up of trades. If you are on this call and you have activated your robot and you are not doing anything, trading or sharing the business, you have wasted your money purchasing this robot. Start trading from $20 and you will see the effect. You will see the results. All right. You don't need to start trading with a lot of money. You can. To get a lot of profits, you must have capital, because capital is king in this business. And luckily for us, they have created an amazing compensation plan where we can introduce it to our family members and friends. And when we do that, this compensation plan is sweeto. You get, as a V1, $30. And that is like 17,000 Naira. Is sweeto, my brother. No shaking in Royal Q. Now, wow. Now, wow. Okay. So for myself, I made $5,700 for the past 6 months. You can make this in a week. You can make it in a month. You can make it in 2 months. I'm already a millionaire in Nigeria. If I stay in Nigeria and I make this money, I'm already a millionaire. In my South African currency, this is just over 80,000 Rand. And this is only from my money. I haven't even included my husband. My husband is a V2, soon to be V3 as well. So if you are working smart in Royal Q, you will be able to let your whole family benefit and make profits. So you will become a millionaire in dollars, not even in Naira or any other currency, wherever you are now, which is not the USA, in dollars. So ladies and gentlemen, sleep on your business. Attend Zoom meetings as much as possible. You will learn, you know, for me, I have attended Leader Malachi Zoom meeting almost every night. I have attended other Zoom meetings, and even my own Zoom meeting I'm having from Monday to Thursday. So it's important that you attend as many Zoom meetings as possible. This Royal Q robot is your responsibility. It is your app. You need to control it. Your upline and your downline will not be able to make money for you. They can only teach you how to do it. All right. And my upline hasn't taught me anything about this business when I started. And just for your information, when I was 3 months in the business and I became a V3. So he was still on a V2. And he only became about 2 months ago, he became V3, and I'm going to be V4, most probably before him as well, and most probably be V6 as well. So overtaking is allowed. You can make more than your upline. You can make more than your downline. He is a trader by profession. He make most probably more than me because I'm not trading a lot of money. I'm focused to be on V6 anytime soon. Because when you are on V6, ladies and gentlemen, we are not chasing money. You will be able to earn between $5,000 to $10,000 per day without recruiting anybody on that level. And on that level, then you can go trade then with $50,000, $100,000. What I'm doing currently, because I have earned so little, is because I'm not signing up any people under myself anymore. I am already pre-qualified to be V6. I've got 22 direct people that have activated under me. So what I'm doing now, I have V2s, I have V3s in my one V3 in my downline. I need to invest in those people so they can become V4 or V5, and then I will be able to come V6. And Leader K explained it so very well. I salute you, Leader KK. Leader Grace have explained the overview of Royal Q so very well. We don't lose any money here. Ladies and gentlemen, and especially the ones that are still joining this click airdrops, return on investment companies where you buy packages and you get a certain percentage. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your money. Listen to your leaders when they are telling you Royal Q is the best, because it is. You know, I have also tried that. I have done multiple businesses at one time. I was stressed out. I was burned out. I was so tired at night because you must work the Royal Q business, you must work this Paraiba business, you must work the CashFX business. And when people see your attention is divided, they don't follow you. Ride one horse and thrive in it, because you will not be able to reach the highest level in any business if you are doing many or more than one business. It's impossible. Because the people that you are getting, they are not going to go all the way with you in all the businesses. Ride one horse to the top, and then you will see what will happen. So thank you so much, Leader Malachi. Thank you for listening to me, all the leaders, all the speakers. I am super excited for all of you. Stay blessed. Don't lose your faith and stay positive. Back to you, Leader Malachi.
Yeah, it's actually the slide. Thank you so much. That was massive. That was massive, really massive, really massive. Wow, I got something from this testimony. I don't know if everyone got that. There is one keyword: overtaking is allowed. So it's only those that actually know what they want that actually go for it. Now, the first thing is this: what do you want? You should define what exactly you want from Royal Q before actually venturing into it. Now, Royal Q gives everyone the opportunity to achieve whatever it is that your dream is, right? Now, if you look at it, it's one of the easiest and the most interesting programs that have ever existed online. I don't know if you actually know this, but I am telling you now, take your time and study Royal Q. Take your time and belong. Take your time and achieve your dream. With Royal Q, Royal Q has given us the platform to achieve all our dreams, right? What we will achieve in just 6 months, so people take roughly 20 years to achieve. KK Success told you what he has achieved. Now, Mrs. Annalena has told you what she has achieved. Queen Annalena has told you what she has achieved, Royal Q. It's massive. Now we're going to get a strong motivational speech from one of our very great leaders. He was one of those that started the journey right from the very first day of Royal Q with Mr. James. He's no other person than Sir Banj. Leader Sir Banj is going to take us through some very strong motivational speech. It's going to tell us the reason why we must. It's not as if we should or something. It's a must because there are times where you need to be pushed so hard to ensure that you change the story of your generation, change the story of your family. You might actually be the connect that will change the story of your family. So there are times when we need to force you into achieving that success. So I see Sir Banj telling us reason why we must change our perception towards achieving success. So Sir Banj, you have the floor. Thank you very much for being here today. You have the floor now, sir.
Thank you so much for having me, Sly. And I want to say a very big thank you to KK Success, Madam Grace, and Aline for doing a very fantastic job on this Zoom today. Actually, my name is Sir Banj, popularly known as Sir Banj, and I actually joined Royal Key for one reason. I've always been motivated to actually make money, first online, passively, okay? And I also want residual income, no matter what, no matter where I am. I'm currently based in Canada, right? You expect that I'm going to be that guy that is working and actually facing the dollar, pushing the dollar game. But, you know, I don't like this 9-to-5 thing. I like making money, you know, passively, residually, no matter how you want to put it. So because I want to make money while even sleeping. So I want to wake up and check my account and I see that, okay, this money is growing, some money is coming in and all of that. And if that is the lifestyle you want for yourself, where you can actually say, oh, my money is working for me, first. Secondly, you have a business that even without you being present, you are making money. Because by the time you grow your business to a point, then you know it will actually be on autopilot. So if that is the kind of lifestyle you want to live, I bet you Royal Q is for you. There are so many reasons why you should take this business very serious. First, I always believe money is not scarce. Okay, money is not scarce. It is actually what you do with your time that determines if you are going to have money or if you are going to be generating money or not. Okay, so if you are going somewhere repeatedly, or wasting your time, or going to a place repeatedly to work or whatever, you are earning little, then it is time to check other places. And that is why people change job, because there are money elsewhere. Okay, so you have to actually ask yourself, what I'm doing now, is it actually giving me the kind of lifestyle I want to live? If not, then this is time to actually look at other businesses. And Royal Q is that option you need to take very, very seriously. Okay, and only you can stop yourself. Okay, nobody can stop you. So if you made up your mind today and say, okay, this business is for me, I bet you it's for you. Remember, you are leveraging on something. You are leveraging on technology. Okay, you are leveraging on IT, and there is so much money to be made also in crypto. Okay, so that is why this business in the 21st century, it is for you. Secondly, thirdly, KK Success mentioned a book, Business of the 21st Century. I read that book in 2012 or thereabouts, and that is one of the books that have actually been motivating me to wake up every time, get on board, try as much as possible to be involved in multi-level marketing, because I know it's the business of the 21st century. Take it or leave it. Okay, nobody's going to actually say, okay, this is direct sales and come and do it. No, people are leveraging on this system called multi-level marketing, and this is the business of the 21st century going forward. So you have to ask yourself, what if you are going to be interested in the business of the 21st century, or you are not going to be interested? And I'm very sure you should be interested, because there is so much more money to be made here. So I don't want to waste your time, because we have exceeded our 1 hour period, but I believe that you actually want to be in a place, play on a platform that's like for Binance, that in 24 hours, over $23 billion transactions were made. That is a place you actually want to look into to make money from. And I bet you the money is there for you to grab. Thank you so much, guys. and have a good night.
Whoa, thank you so much. That was really inspiring. Thank you so much for exposing us to a lot of information as regards how we can make a lot of money using Royal Q. Thank you so much, sir. Now we're going to attend to just because we're trying to stay with the time limits that we have for tonight's call. We're going to attend to just two questions from, please, we'll attend to questions only from non-activated members or prospects or newly activated members. Please indicate by raise of a hand, then we'll call on you. Indicate by raise of a hand, I'll call on you to unmute and ask your questions. Like I said, activated members, please wait for Sunday's technical Zoom meetings, technical training Zoom meetings. Only newly activated members or prospects should be asking us questions tonight. I thank you so much for your understanding. Do we have anyone? We are not seeing anyone raising their hands. Raise your hands, or if we don't have anyone, okay, we have one person. Beauty, very kindly unmute and ask your questions. Beauty, please. Hello, Beauty. Hello, Beauty. Are you there? Hello, is there another person? If Beauty can, if she's having a challenge with her network. Okay, Beauty, are you there? Go ahead, please. Hello, Beauty. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Okay, good evening, sir.
Evening, please.
Okay, I activated my account today.
Okay.
I've been hearing a whole lot of success stories on Royal Q, and I don't know anything about it, but I activated my account today. So as it stands now, I don't even know what to trade. I'm just, the Royal Q is my phone. I don't know what should I do now.
Okay, I love, okay, you can mute yourself. Let me just quickly give you a heads up as regards what to expect and then what to do. Now, the beauty of it is the fact that Royal Q is designed not just for experts, right, in the industry. Royal Q was originally designed, in short, for novice, those that are not even, conversant with trading of cryptocurrency, spot trading, basically. Why am I saying this? Because originally, whether we like it or not, the world is going to a stage where everyone will be using cryptocurrency. And how do you think people into using cryptocurrency? The adoption will only be successful only when people start to understand how this thing works. And people will only understand how things work when they see that they are earning from it directly. Are you getting my point? Ordinarily, if I had met you on the road and told you that you should just go and study how to make money using how to trade, just go and learn how to trade, you would not be interested because you might see it as a bit cumbersome and all of that. But the fact that you can earn using artificial intelligence directly, then you can learn afterwards. Earn before you learn. Royal Q gives you the opportunity to earn before you learn. So you are at the right place. Now, Royal Q never sells in a loss, like the first presenter rightly said. That you have activated and you are activating now. You are one of the very blessed few that have activated now because the market is at the stage where it's now going upwards. Now, please be rest assured that just note this anyway, that you cannot get all as regards trading or as regards the functionality of Royal Q in a day. That you are now activated, please kindly always attend that Sunday Zoom meetings. You will learn a lot and always be in close contact with your upline. Or if you cannot really relate with your upline, if your upline is not serious about the business, you can always attend and learn a lot. And then if you're not getting what happens, kindly meet up with them the WhatsApp group that is serious. You get to learn those terms. There are a lot of terms that you get to understand what the bull run is. Get to understand what the bear run is. Get to understand what one shot is. Get to understand all the terms around trading per se. Because that's what it has to do, what you have done manually, it for you. If daily, now that the profit is having a little good run, you don't know how long it's going to last, but just rest assured that the good run is increasing, you're making your profit, right? And with basic trading using the real or even using manual trading. So I hope I've been able to give you some basic information as to using the. Are you clear?
Sir, do you understand what I'm saying? Like as it is now, my account is activated, but nothing is ongoing.
If you're activated, have you activated meaning that you started trading, or activated is that you've just activated and then you've not binded, you've not used, you've not binded to your maybe your exchange. I don't know which of the exchange you're using. Either,
okay, fine. What I'm saying is, I've registered and funded my wallet,
yes, please.
But have not started trading or even try to link. I learned I'm supposed to link it to my Binance.
Yes.
That has not been done.
Okay, have you funded your Binance?
No, but I funded the RoyoQ, hoping that I will transfer the money to the Binance.
What information did you get from your offline, so that I'll be able to address it?
Okay, I've not heard anything from her.
Okay, did she just tell you that you just need to activate and start making money? Why am I saying this? Because we need to address all the information that are not actually to make it true. That's why I'm asking. We need to know what information we got so that we address it.
No, she didn't say so anyway. She didn't say so. But okay, maybe I'll communicate her.
No. Don't worry. Don't feel somehow about this question. I'm not trying to put her in problem or something.
Why your network?
Yes. Okay. I'm not. No, please don't feel. Yes. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Please don't feel as if you're trying to put anyone in trouble. No. We are not. We are all we are all learning. I personally don't know 100% of everything, right? So we try to help ourselves here. So there are certain information that your upline might not have been aware of. So we try to also help out here. Like the motivational, our testimony, Mrs. Annalene just said, overtaking is allowed. You're the most serious on it. If you're more serious on it, you earn more than her, right? I am not trying to say she cannot get serious at later on, but as it stands, whatever information you've gotten that you're not so clear about, that's why you've joined the Zoom today. So we are going to help you to make it straight. Okay, if I understand you clearly, now she told you that probably you just get activated and then maybe you start earning. Is that it?
No, that's not what she told me. She didn't tell me that. Okay. I've not communicated that after I activated.
Okay, let me make this. Let's not do that. Now, this is what you need to do. After activating, right? You also need to have a verified finance. You need to have a verified finance account, which you have to, what we call find your RoyaQ app, the activated RoyaQ app, through your Binance. Until your RoyaQ is activated, you cannot bind your verified Binance, right? The exchange. Now, in your Binance exchange, you cannot trade until you have funds in your Binance. Basically, your Binance exchange, you have at least, we advise that you have at least $100. Because if you have $1,000, you have $200,000. It will kill your money because you have access to making withdrawals from that Binance. So it's totally under your control, right? Every RoyaQ does not have access to your exchange. You understand? So until you have money, that is if let's just as you are not interested in referring anybody, let your money work for you. So your money in your Binance is what the robot sees, because the robot only does two things. It reads the money, that is USDT, it trades against USDT. It reads the money in your Binance and then trades against USDT. Are you getting my point? So it trades and reads, right? Trades and reads, it does not withdraw. So these are the things. Get activated, get verified on Binance, link your Binance to your RoyaQ app that is activated. Now get money to your Binance and then automatically leave the auto traders on RoyaQ, or you can as well do your setting based on the information you get from your offline, or you leave the auto traders to handle for you automatically. 365 days in a year, non-stop. Thank you very much. I hope you understand.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, fine, thank you. Okay, fine. So that we don't take much of our time, do you have any other person? Okay, we have the second person online, Mrs. Cynthia. Yes, please. Can you kindly unmute and mute, please? Unmute
Yes,
and then
please.
let's
Yes,
hear you.
good evening.
Okay,
Good evening, everybody. Yes, good evening. My question is, I recently activated my robot, and then my upline told me that I should download Binance and then try to verify my Binance. So I did severally, but I've not been able to verify the Binance account. I've done it severally, more than 4 or 5 times. And now, even if I try now, it keeps giving me a negative result. I don't know what to do about that.
Okay. If I heard you clearly, your Binance is giving you issues with verification.
Exactly.
May I ask what do you use? What have you been trying to use for the verification, please?
We have been using my Nigerian passport.
That is international passport, right?
Yes, my international passport. Yes.
Wow, it's supposed to be very fast. Where are you doing it from? Where are you based, please?
I'm based in France. I live in France.
Wow, France. Okay, probably that is the challenge. Maybe the location for which you choose, but it's not supposed to be a problem. But that notwithstanding, you can use UOB. UOB does not require verification.
Exactly.
Yes, you can use UOB, and then for now, until you come into Nigeria, probably you now try to verify. Maybe location is the issue. It's probably trying to identify that you're not in a location where you are trying to verify from. But I don't think that's the basic reason. But let's just assume that it is. But for now, use UOB. It's not limiting you to whatever amount you should withdraw. It's not requesting for verification. So you can use UOB for now until when you're in Nigeria, then you can use your international passport for verification.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.
So, ladies and gentlemen, wow, it's been a very beautiful evening. I want to appreciate a lot of us that have been here till the very end. I want to appreciate all the leaders that have also been with us till the very end, regardless of your very busy schedule. I know by God's grace, our efforts will not be fruitless. We'll definitely reap from all the efforts, newbies and activated members and all of them, all of you that are here. Never give up. Like I said, what exactly do you want? It's exactly what you want that will determine exactly what you get, right? Everybody has the opportunity to be mega rich. You can. I tell you the truth. Yes, you can. Just look inward and then bring out the best in you, and then you'll be shocked at what you achieve eventually. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And we'll call it a night from here. Stay blessed. Enjoy your night. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. All right. Good night, everyone. Good night.